If you're a vinyl collector, you might be interested in checking out some of the best USB turntables. So today we'll actually be digging into the top 7 USB turntables and breaking down each of these, including some features and benefits, so you can see which might be the best choice for you in your particular situation. And as always, I'll include links to each of these down below, so you can check out any updated pricing and availability for any you might be interested in. Also, if there are any special deals or discounts on any of these, I'll include those down in the description as well. So, jumping right in, at number 1, we have the best overall turntable, which is going to be the Audio-Technica AT-LP120X USB. Now, in all the testing we did, this turntable always came out on top. It's awesome for beginners because it's easy to use and set up, but it also has enough features for all of you who are really serious about quality turntables. It has an AT-VM95E cartridge, and that offers a wider frequency response to its stereo output terminals for connecting to other audio equipment like amps or speakers. You can even do analog to digital conversion for those of you that are interested in archiving all of your record collection and popping it onto a hard drive. It does have a big, loud, dynamic sound, and this is actually one of the few turntables that offers 3 selectable speeds. We will say that the plastic finish does look a little bit cheap, and some of the digital conversions can be a bit hit or miss, but in terms of actual physical construction, it's very durable, and again, you are getting a high quality sound. So if you're just looking to invest in the best overall USB turntable, the Audio-Technica AT-LP120X USB is a great option. At number 2, we have the Pro-Ject Elemental Phono USB. Now this is going to be an innovative and stylish USB turntable, but it also has quality playback. Honestly, you really just have to take a look at this one to believe it. It's gorgeous and will fit in beautifully in any home. But it's not just all style and no substance. It's easy to set up with plug-and-play installation, and for the quality and style of this machine, it's actually very affordable. The one issue that we had was it doesn't have any dust cover, so you're going to want to make sure that you're keeping it nice and clean if you do purchase this one. But overall, this is a fantastic machine. The sound really teeters right around the bright side of the audio spectrum, so it's going to be a delight to listen to. So again, if you're interested in style with a healthy mix of substance, the Pro-Ject Elemental Phono USB is definitely worth your time. Next up, we have the Denon DP450 USB. And this is going to be the best semi-automatic USB turntable. This is a great option if you're someone who worries about breaking the needle every time you try to play a record. It's actually programmed with a power off feature that when you enable will save the needle from any wear and tear by automatically bringing the tone arm back to its resting position after a record is finished. But aside from that, the audio quality here is also spectacular. It's got decent components to produce detailed sonics, and the DSN 85mm cartridge is serviceable and delivers full mid-range. That being said, the lows and highs are not really well balanced here, and the bass doesn't really have that oomph that you might be looking for, but with that said, you do have the option to swap out the cartridge. So if those features do seem appealing to you, and you think this might be a good fit, then check out the Denon DP450 USB semi-automatic turntable. Next up, we have the Sony PS-LX310BT turntable. Now, Sony features some excellent products, and this is going to be the best entry-level Sony turntable, and it does have lots of features. The first thing you'll notice, it does have a sleek and well-built design. Also, a nice feature is it has Bluetooth connectivity. This one is also very budget-friendly, and it does have automatic operation for seamless playback along with integrated preamp that connects to anything with an aux port. You can even choose different gain selections to modify output. In terms of sound quality, there are more pricey models with better sound, but it still does give you some nice highs and lows. But one thing to note is that the cartridge can't be replaced here. If that doesn't bother you and you're interested in getting an excellent entry-level Sony turntable, then this is a great option. Again, you're going to get that Bluetooth connectivity, sleek design, and a lively, enjoyable sound. For those of you with a bigger budget who are really looking at getting some of the most high-quality equipment you can, then check out the Audio-Technica AT-LP5. And this is a great high-performance USB turntable. Again, it's easy to use, easy to operate, and it's going to play your vinyl collection with precision. It has a high-torque motor that allows records to spin up to speed, and it's got a beautiful mid-range that offers a lot of detail, as well as having balanced lows and a really wide sound. It's a little bit bulky, and it's not the most stylized device, but again, if you're interested in this one, it's definitely for those of you who are more into making sure that your sound quality is as top-notch as it can be. So if you do think you're looking for a really high-performance device, then check out the Audio-Technica AT-LP5. Next up, we have the Ion Max LP, and this is going to be the best option for those of you on a really tight budget. With that said, even though it does come in at a lower price point, it does have a ton of features. It has integrated stereo speakers, 3-speed vinyl conversion, multiple jacks, and a fantastic retro look with a beautiful wood finish. Now, because this is a budget-friendly option, the sound quality is not going to be top-notch compared to some of our other models, so it won't replace your home sound system or Bluetooth speakers, but for the price, you're going to get a decent sound, as well as some of those other great features that we mentioned. So if you're looking to explore the world of vinyl, but you don't have a ton of money to spend, the Ion Max LP is definitely the option for you. And last on the list, we have the Electrohome Kingston 7-in-1 record player. And this is a fantastic retro-looking turntable with a ton of modern features. So, as it says in the name, this is a 7-in-1 record player, which means it's the all-in-one audio solution. It can be used as a radio, a CD player, it has USB, aux, and Bluetooth support to stream music wirelessly. It can also play 7, 10, and 12-inch records, and at multiple speeds. It doesn't have the greatest audio quality, and it is a little bit bulky, but it does come with built-in EQ controls, so you can improve the sound a little bit based on your own ear. It's also really beautiful with some color options like black, cherry, and walnut, and that'll really enhance the decor of your living space. As I mentioned, this one is bulky though. It is 24 pounds, so it's a lot of weight, but definitely worth it if you want to get that nice classic retro look, and something that might be able to replace a bunch of other devices in your living room. So guys, that's a look at some of the best USB turntables today. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, please feel free to leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. And just a reminder that I will include links to each of these products down below, so you can check out any updated pricing and availability for any you might be interested in. Also, let me know if you have any comments or questions, as I always love getting to answer as many of those as I can. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.